Hello, my dear students. Once again, you all are welcome to the E-class of General Knowledge of Class 4th, and I am your Sarika Sharma ma'am. Children, today in this session, we will discuss chapter number 31 and chapter number 32. So let's begin with the chapter number 31, that is our universe. Children, first of all, we should know what is universe. There is a little introduction. Universe is everything that exists at a single moment of time, such as the present or the beginning of time, as in the sentence, the universe was of size 0. Or in other sense, if I say, universe is all of space and time and their continent, including planets, stars, galaxies and other form of matter and energy. And in this chapter, we will read about stars, satellites, planets, about the universe. And as I told you that our universe include stars, it's very familiar, satellites, now Earth. Children, what if I talk about planets, as I am saying that we will discuss the planet and stars and satellite. Planet is a celestial body that is orbit around sun, that is an orbit around sun. And if I talk about satellite, satellite is a moon, planet or machine that orbits a planet or a star. For example, children, as I am showing you, Earth is a satellite. And what is a star? A star is a sphere of gas held together by its own gravity. Okay. So, let's begin with the chapter. Complete the following by choosing the correct word from the clues given in the help box. You have been given the help box. You have to complete the sentence. And what we are reading? We are reading about our universe. First of all, dash are huge balls of hot and glowing gases. And the answer is stars. I already told you a star is a sphere or gas held together by its own gravity. So STARS. Second, dash are bodies that revolves around the planet. Children, the answer is satellite. SATELLITES. Satellites. Satellites are bodies that revolves around the planets. Children, and what are the planets? Dash are bodies that move around a star. Planets, answer is planets. 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 Dash are bodies that move around a star. Planets. And what are stars, as I told you in the first question? Stars are huge balls of hot and glowing gases. Next, question number 4. Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune are known as dash planets. Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune are known as dash planets that are called outer planets. Next, question number 5. Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars are known as dash planets. Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars are known as dash planets. It is inner planets. INNER, inner planets. Next, beta. Dash has 18 moons. The answer is Saturn. 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 Saturn has 18 moons. Number 7. Dash has 1 moon. What is the answer, children? Earth. The answer is Earth. 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 Question number 8. The sun is a dash. Of course, the sun is a star. The answer is star. 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 Let's read all the sentences once again. Dash are huge balls of hot and glowing gases. Children, you can open page number 34 and lesson number 31 just along with me. Dash are huge balls of hot and glowing gases. Answer is stars. Dash are bodies that revolves around the planet. Answer is satellites. Dash are bodies that move around a star. Answer is planets. Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune are known as dash planets. Answer is outer. Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars are known as dash planets. Answer is inner. Dash has 18 moons. Answer is Saturn. Dash has one moon. Answer is Earth. The sun is a dash stars. So this was all about our universe. We were discussing about our universe. Now come to the assignment, children. Write the name of any 5 planets. You can write Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune, Mercury, Venus, any 5 planets. This homework you will do in the copy, and whatever we have discussed previous in this chapter, lesson number 31, fill in the blanks, you will do in book. Now, as I told you, we will discuss 2 chapters, 31 and 32. Now we come to the infectious disease. Children, an infectious disease is caused by germs that are found in air, water and soil. An infectious disease is caused by germs that are found in air, water and soil. And when we are saying that we are having disease in ourselves, our body is diseased, when our body is not working properly. So disease caused by or capable of being communicated by infection is called infectious disease. Infectious disease, one due to organisms ranging in size from virus to parasitic forms. It may be contagious in origin, result from organisms. So now, as if I talk about some infectious disease, we can say cholera, dysentery, malaria, etc. Typhoid, influenza, these all are the infectious disease. Now let's come to the chapter, children. Please open chapter number 32, page number 35. Again, identify the following infectious disease. Take help from the help box. Children, description has given to you. You have to read it carefully and then you just write the answer and take the help from the help box. Number 1, it usually affects the lungs but other organs may be involved. Its common symptoms is bad cough that lasts 3 weeks or longer. Children, it is usually affects the lung. हम लोग को कफ होता है, cold होता है generally, and it's remains last 3 weeks or longer. And the answer is tuberculosis. tuberculosis, tuberculosis. Number 2, the symptoms of this disease include high fever and diarrhea. Diarrhea means beta, we can say loose motion and vomiting. It is contracted by drinking or eating bacteria contaminated food. Children, that's why we are saying don't eat from the outside, don't eat from the vendors, from those who are selling this chow mein and junk food, and so that's why we are saying to avoid all these foods, to eat these foods. And the answer is cholera, cholera. And the symptoms of this disease include high fever and diarrhea. Number 3, persons with this disease typically causes rashes all over the body. A vaccination protects against this illness. Answer is measles, measles, measles. Children, before that we were not having any vaccination of measles. At that time it was dangerous, but now we are having the vaccination of measles. So in this, the symptoms are they are having rashes all over the body. Next, question number 4. Infectious disease causing diarrhea and dehydration. This disease is common in place with poor sanitation. Children, where we have the poor sanitation, it's not hygienic place, that time we are getting this disease, dysentery. dysentery, dysentery. Next, Disease is marked by yellow look to the skin and the white of the eyes. Many newborn babies develop it. Children, of course, generally when the newborn baby born, we are saying that he's having jaundice or she's having jaundice, and this is disease is marked by yellow look and the eyes are whitish. Next, and the answer is JAUNDICE, jaundice. Number 6, it is caused by a parasite which is carried by mosquitoes infected from biting someone who already has the disease. It is malaria. MALARIA, malaria. Next, infectious disease with fever, cough and constant sneezing. If sneezing is constant, we have fever, we have cough, and the answer is influenza. INFLUENZA. Next, children, symptoms include frequent diarrhea with presence of mucus and stomach pain. Children, in this, and the answer is typhoid. Children, mucus, what is mucus if you will ask? Mucus is a normal slippery and sticky fluid substance produced by many lining tissue in our body, and it is essential for our body functions. So answer is typhoid. TYPHOID. Let's read all the answers once again, dear students. Number 1, it usually affects the lungs but other organs may be involved. Its commonly symptoms is bad cough that lasts 3 weeks or longer. Answer is tuberculosis. The symptom of this disease includes high fever and diarrhea. It is contracted by drinking water or eating bacteria contaminated food. Answer is cholera. Third, person with this disease typically causes rashes all over the body. A vaccination protects against this illness. Measles. Number 3, infectious disease causes diarrhea and dehydration. The disease is common in places where poor sanitation. Answer, dysentery. Disease is marked by yellow looks to the skin and the whitish of the eyes. Many newborn babies develop it. Jaundice. Next, it is caused by a parasite which is carried by mosquito infected from biting someone who already has the disease. Malaria. Next, question number 7, infectious disease with the fever, cough and constant sneezing. Children, answer is influenza. And the last but not the least, symptoms including frequent diarrhea with presence of mucus and stomach pain. Answer is typhoid. I hope, children, you understood both the chapters, lesson number 31 and 32. Now it's the time of assignment. Write down any 5 infectious disease. Write down cholera, dysentery, malaria, jaundice, typhoid. This assignment you have to do in copy. With all that, I conclude. Thank you, children. Thank you for watching the video till end.